Mnangagwa's biggest mistake, the one that history will record as the beginning of his downfall, is his decision to move against General Constantino Chiwenga. Sabena mashukublenyi kwa pangwa inwe achinzi Mnangagwa's biggest mistake. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tina mamu blenyi kwa mchenzi. General Chiwenga is not just any man. He is the one who, together with other patriots, stood firm when the revolution was being hijacked. He is the soldier who ensured the transition in 2017 so that the people's will could prevail. To turn against such a comrade, to sideline him, to strip his influence, or to fire him from key roles is not clever politics. It is an act of supreme folly that will shake the very foundations of the system that brought this administration to power. No leader survives by alienating the very institution and individuals who anchored his rise. The army is not a personal tool to be pegged at will. It is the guardian of the nation's sovereignty, born from the same trenches as the liberation struggle. When you start removing or humiliating those who command respect within the ranks, you invite instability. You create fractures that enemies of Zimbabwe, both internal and external, will exploit. I have warned before about attempts to extend terms against the spirit of the Constitution and the will of the people. Now this latest fully compounds it. Firing or systematically undermining General Chiwenga will not secure power. It will accelerate its loss. The soldiers remember, the war veterans remember, the people remember who stood where when it mattered most. Mr. President, if you are listening, stop this path. It leads not to legacy, but to regret. Zimbabwe does not belong to one man or one faction. It belongs to all of us who shed blood for it. Respect the institutions, respect your comrades in arms, respect the constitution. The downfall that follows such a mistake will not be caused by outsiders. It will come from within, from the very forces you are now alienating. Aluta continua. The struggle for a truly free, just, and constitutional Zimbabwe continues. Doma developments anobdanyo kwa pangwa ine na retired lieutenant general Sadc Mabranga. Inakome section medu za funguro enyi motu kulipa msuru pe chitu kwa ichi. Musana subscribe or like, or you not on the bell icon.